y'all, so thanks for joining me. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on, and you'll have to excuse the super high bright shine I got going on my face. I washed my face for the night and put on my little vitamin E oils and rosehip oils. I got to get that glow right before the summer hits, so I'm prepping my face early. But anyway, this video is not to rant about my skin right now. I really just needed to talk this one out. So I'm scrolling through Twitter and I saw a post saying that KFC is testing out a fried chicken Cheeto sandwich. Fried chicken Cheeto sandwich. KFC is doing this. It says that the chicken sandwich will include actual Cheetos, a cheesy sauce made out of like the Cheeto powder, mayonnaise, and then, you know, the bun. So it's gonna be a extra crispy fried chicken patty, mayonnaise, Cheeto sauce, and real Cheetos on this sandwich. I'm not that big into Cheetos, so honestly, this just sounds disgusting to me. Like, this sounds nasty. Fried chicken, Cheetos, and mayonnaise, and then some sort of weird artificial cheese sauce. It just don't sound right to me. Like, is it just me? But to each his own. I know there's some people that love Cheetos, and y'all are probably gonna flock to KFC to try this. It just won't be me. And I encourage you, if this comes out in a KFC near you, give it a try and let me know how it is. Maybe you'll make a believer out of me. But these pictures and just hearing it, it just does not, it don't sound right. It said that the KFC is testing this sandwich in fortunate southern states. Fortunate. Like, we're so fortunate to have a fried chicken Cheeto sandwich in our city or in our state. Let me see. And you'll have to excuse me, I'm looking down at my laptop. So it looks like KFC is going to be testing this in Greensboro and Raleigh, North Carolina, Richmond, Virginia, and Greenville, Georgia. Those are the fortunate southern cities that this sandwich is going to spread across like wildfire. So yeah. I just had to rant about that because the pictures, they just look a little disturbing. It just doesn't look right to me. It doesn't. And I just needed to talk about this. Tell me what you guys think. Is this something that you would want to try? Like, comment below. Let me know. If you happen to try one of these, what's it called? A fried chicken sandwich? A fried chicken Cheeto sandwich from KFC. Let me know how you like it. All right? Thanks for joining me, guys. See you soon.